Hi guys! Let's make a salad today with bok choy. I call this kimchi salad because it has all the ingredients that goes into kimchi. This actually is called 겉절이. Literally means you're only salting the surface. I will call it kimchi salad from now on. It is traditionally made with napa cabbage, but today I'm going to make it with bok choy. Bok choy was not available in Korea until recently. It is from China. Because of the enormous nutritional benefits, bok choys are being enjoyed more and more. When you're looking for bok choy, just like the napa cabbage, you try to look for you see the ridges right here, this one? This is something that you want to look for. The one that has a lot of very pronounced ridges. That's the good one. Can you see how dirty the water is? See all the... Okay. Ooh, this one is extra dirty. Some leaves, even after 10 minutes of soaking, it still has dirt, so I would like to just rub it off. I want you to go over every leaf. Look at still after second rinse, you still have all the... I'm going to fill the bowl just enough to cover distilled vinegar, 1/8 of a cup. Just soak it for 10 minutes. Just make it really clean because we're not gonna cook this. We're going to eat it just fresh, raw like this. 10 minutes have passed. Okay, now it is really clean. I'm going to cut the bok choy. Do not cut between the stem and then the leaf. You're going to split lengthwise this way. Something like this small, you don't have to cut it or split like that. Just toss to drain a bit of water. In this bowl, 1 tablespoon and a half. I'll say this is about half. And then toss it. I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes. We're going to make a sauce. Roughly chop. Set that aside with the onion and carrot. The white parts split and then very finely chop. Okay, this will be part of the sauce. Gochujang, gochugaru, white sugar or granulated sugar, white distilled vinegar, fish sauce. So what's different than kimchi sauce is this does have vinegar. You normally do not add vinegar to kimchi sauce when you're making kimchi for fermentation. So I'm going to quickly toss. It's being wilted. So just another 10 minutes. The total salting time is 20 minutes. So it is very well salted and wilted. This is what we're looking for. Rinse once. I'm being really gentle. I'm going to use the salad spinner to extract water. Just a little bit more. I think that's enough. What you don't want to do is do not squeeze out the water. Since we're going to eat the peel as well, spray with the vinegar and scrub. Kind of bruised in the middle. Bok choy. You know what, let me do this. Coat the vegetables and bok choy first before I add sesame seed oil. It's starting to smell good already. Oh, I hope this apple wasn't so bruised. Mix this well. Whole sesame seed. I'll save a little for later. 2 tablespoons. Smells good, looks good. I know it's going to taste good. This is such a quick and simple way to enjoy bok choy. How to serve it? You usually serve with rice. This is quite intensely flavored, so it's not like salad where you can just have salad on its own. I'm going to give it a taste. It's delicious. So if you need a little bit of salt, this is like a pinch. Just bring everything all together. This is one way of eating bok choy in a Korean way. Quite delicious. My mom, the way she eats her ggyeori, she will put rice in here and mix with rice and turn this into bibimbap. One thing I want to point out is when you make traditional ggyeori, they always put rice glue, any type of starch, so it will hold all the seasonings or sauce together. But I did not add the starch, but still the dressing or the sauce is not dripping. Reason being, I chopped enough garlic and the scallion and made a sauce with them. So the minced garlic and the scallion is holding the sauce together. So it is very important to use the same amount of scallion and then the garlic. I really enjoyed making this simple and refreshing dish for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.